Here we are. We just backed up into the ferry boat. We're gonna go to Guimaras this time, so it's a smaller boat. Wow, literally this time we went from the side of the road to the boat. Oh, and then there's a puts right there. Did you hear me? And we made it. I wonder if they're gonna go. Morning. Do you need water, Dad? Need water, Dad? Oh, and here comes the truck. Here comes the truck. Do you need water, Hannah?
Ilan na to? Kami na boss, 25.
Tatlo. Here comes the truck. Here comes the truck. Here comes water.
Tatlo. 1, 2, 3.
Cool. And here you just stay in your car. Look how fast they do it. Look at, we are going in like Tetris.
I think we are.
Squeezing another one in. This is how it is. Quick and systematic. This time was a lot easier. I guess it's a smaller boat. We didn't have to go out, get a ticket, go on a list, wait for them to call our name and all that stuff. Very easy. And then here we are, passengers in our car on a boat. Hello, hello. And then this is the view around us. Yeah. Alright, so this is where we drove in earlier. Alright, okay, now we're gonna go upstairs so we can see. We can go this way, right? Yeah. Alright, we're gonna go past these motorcycles. Watch your leg, we're gonna go on a journey. Alright, here we go. Here we go. Let me put my wristlet. Here we go. Where did it come from? There's Sanao. Alright, here we go. Oh, there is a little like kitchen. Oh, there's a Alright, we're gonna get some coffee. Let's see, there's a whole bunch of stuff. We'll show that. Ice cream, what? Oh my god, we could even have beer in here. This coffee, I don't know. Oh, not the aesthetic coffee. Not the aesthetic soup, no. Okay, what's the book called?
Montenegro, they call it? Montenegro shipping.
And it looks like we're the only girls on this whole. Yeah. It just literally, look, just so you guys can see. Yep. And we're gonna pick what we want. Let's see what we're feeling today. What are you feeling? What do you feel like? Yeah, coffee. I think I want coffee. Yeah. Okay, I'm gonna go back. Let's go down. So today we're gonna do the 3-in-1. We're gonna be right back. Why is it blurred? There it is. Alright, cool. We'll be back for you. There's the international ferry. Oh, we cannot miss that. We found it. We saw it. And this is... Whoa, check this out. Alright, we're gonna go back in. Whoa, it's literally no one here. boat we're in. Whoa, not the cell phone charging station. They've got all types of chargers for you. And wow, okay. What else do we've got here? We've got more charging. They've seen better days, but they're there. Alright. Wow, this is way more passenger friendly. Whoa, there's a boat right there. Woohoo! Alright, we're going on this way. Alright, we're going back. Alright, but first we're gonna take real photos right here.
Okay.
So we're going back up. We're on a mission to get coffee. Here we go. They tried to scare us with the beeping, but we're still here. Here we go. Here we go. Whoa! And let's take a moment for the view. Oh, there's a boat on the other side. There's a boat on the other side. And we had to get the boat on this side. 1, 2, 3. We have arrived. We have arrived. We got our coffee. It's hot. That's why I'm holding it like that. But we've arrived, everyone, and we're gonna go down now. And the last vehicles are coming out. Here we go. And we are the last to leave. It's all empty now. Woohoo! Here we go. Oh, it's careful, it's so hot. Alright, so here we are. We're doing another payment because we arrived. Here we go. Alright, terminal fee because we've arrived. Alright. Philippines, right here. We are like in the middle of all the trees, everything. This is just, to me, this is like the exact representative of the Philippines. Yes. Oh, look at the basketball courts. Woohoo! So we are in Sanao. Dad, is this where you were raised?
No.
Or Guimaras?
This is Guimaras. This is Sanao. Oh,
Wait, so where were you raised?
I think we missed it.
This is the barangay of... I don't know. Apparently, sis, you guys stayed here. So you guys stayed here. It didn't look like this at that time? Whoa, it got renovated. Okay, let's get a tour. Ooh, waterside. Wow. So this is where you stayed last time? Wow. Cool. So how did it look like when they stayed? Wow, cute. Cute. Cute, cute. Cool. Wow. Woohoo. When I was a kid, I used to get the fiddler crabs and then, you know, yeah. And then we used to get shells and then... That's nice. I'm in the Philippines. See, this feels like the Philippines. Yeah. So this is my dad's uncle's place. I have a lot of childhood memories here. All my cousins, when we were little, we would go here. But I guess no one lives here anymore because there's even growth at the door. That means no one's entered here, I guess. Oh my gosh. Can we go in?
I don't think
Oh,
so.
no,
It's closed, yeah. Because no one's around living here.
The roads are rocking.
There's no big trucks.
Wow.
Mostly cars.
Alright, whoa, we're going into the city now. Now it's city life.
City of Alibhon. Ano ba
City
na
life.
ang Alibhon ngalan ni sa Alibhon? San Miguel. San Miguel.
Check out Jollibee. We're gonna drive through. Whoa, that's a big Jollibee. Woo! Alright, we're gonna bring candles to my grandpa here in Sanao. It's been a while since I've been here. I don't, maybe 2016. So this is my dad's dad. Alright, here we go. We're in Sanao. Yeah, we're in Sanao.
Yeah.
Yeah, I don't even really remember the last time I went here. So in the Philippines, it's not, what do you do? Is it a tomb? The grave is above the ground.
Yeah.
Oh, hi, Lolo. Lolo Kilis. 1993. June 14, 1993. You bought it?
Yeah,
Oh.
the flower and candle.
Kasi makapasok.
Papa.
Okay, we'll put it here.
You.
Away from the
Visit you, Papa.
Lolo Kilis. So it's fine. And we'll take a picture of.
Paano?
Okay.
Your part?
You first. And then we'll 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3.
Pa.
Oh, Lolo Kilis.
Okay.
Okay, I want to be.
Common na
Yeah.
or you want?
We're so far? How many minutes?
It's like 2 minutes.
Oh, whoa, we're really. Alright, we are 3 minutes away from our destination. Woo! Going through a small road. Ooh.
May mga kanal, no?
Oh,
Ha? Hindi mo siya. Kasi bulasot sila sa
wait, are they gonna present it like that? Like, oh, cool. They're gonna bring.
So she's your tita? I think she's your tita. Because that's their
Oh,
grandmother.
if it's. Oh, yeah, then she'd be my
Yeah.
tita. If it's her. Wait.
Yeah.
How? Wait, whose birthday? It's my tita or would be my Lula?
It's like my grandmother.
If it's, oh, then it's my grandmother.
No,
Then.
no, no. It's,
Oh.
it's my husband's mother.
Oh, so it
it's
would
my
be-
mother-in-law.
So it would
Just
be
like your tita.
It would be my tita.
Yeah.
Yeah.
It's confusing.
But would it be obvious if I'm standing here like this?
No. She won't mind though. You know, so
She's like, oh, is it?
I think they're pranking her first, then ask her to go out.
Oh, so
and then-
you've seen the deal.
Yeah, there's a lot of videos here.
Yung sunglaw? Sunglaw? Iba pa lang 11 pa lang din ita?
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Wow. Happy birthday.
Oh.
Birthday to you. Okay, happy birthday.
Yo!
Happy birthday sa mag-proceed sa ato na tamay na kita program. Gusto ko mag-wish ka danay, tapos ilong mo ka. Ay, malas. Yay! Happy birthday, Janine! idea ka, ma'am, kung sino ang kapasurprise sa iyong birthday? Wala ikaw idea. Pero before that, pag ko na ang gamay ng surprise sa imo. Oh, may money. Wow! Tapos, may mga
It's a money bouquet.
maging pahatag para sa imo. Hindi, ay sinanay. Happy birthday na. Pero, before ko ihambal ha, kung sino ang nagpa-surprise sa imo, may video message nga prepare para sa imo. Ito nga. Gusto ko nakita mo ang video message naging prepare sa family mo para sa iyo.
Wishing you all the best. Joy.
Happy birthday, Nanay! Wish ko po ay long life!
Happy birthday po, Lola. Enjoy your day lang. Ingat po kayo lang palagi. Yung regalo ko po sa inyo, sabay-sabay na po natin sa Pasko. Ako po bahala.
Thank you.
Yun lang po lang. Wish ko po sa inyo is good health and more birthdays to come po. See you soon ulit la. I love you. Happy birthday.
Thank you, Toto.
Hello, Lola. I just want to wish you a happiest birthday. I hope you're doing well. Stay healthy and more birthdays to come po. See you soon.
Thank you, Dad.
Hi, Nanay Da! Happy birthday! Thank you good for love, and may God bless you with good health and lots of years to live a happy life. Love you!
Yay.
Oh, that's nice. So that sounds good.
Yeah.
Telling my mom. She's showing my mom what she's sending home because my mom couldn't make it today. So that, Oh wow, okay.
Oh yes,
I've got subscriber 589 and 590. No. It's official. All right, we hit the 590 mark. It's official. Woo! Here in Guimaras. 590. Oh, done.
It's my first time seeing like this kind.
You've never seen it?
No.
It looks like
first
freaking
time.
the rock of Guimaras. Oh my god. So Guimaras roosters look like dinosaurs. Oh my god, this guy is a beast. He looks like he's about 7 pounds. Look at his eyes. He even looks scary. Like I don't think to myself, let me carry him.
Yeah.
He looks like a dinosaur.
Yeah. When you sit here.
I'm just looking at him. Oh, look at the dog! Whoa!
Oh my
god!
I'm kind of
I'm not scared. I want to hold it out here.
Yeah.
For a nice view.
Thank you.
Okay, so let's do real style. Okay, I'm not seeing the second. For sure.
Oh my God!
That's so huge. That's so big.
Mawak mo na rin.
Whoa! Are you happy?
Ever?
That's so big.
This is a special breed of rooster. They fight it, but it doesn't even need spikes because they're so big and strong.
Yeah.
They just fight. And you could tell this is bred to be a fighter. Wow, look how calm it is.
He doesn't.
Look here, it doesn't. Oh, it comes? Oh, whoa! How would it?
Ikaw, Remy, may pamasunan, di ba?
It doesn't look like he would attack.
you see how big his feet are? Look at how big his feet are. Look at it.
Yeah, it's big.
I want the viewers to see how big his feet are. Look, he wants to go to his house. He's like a dog. I'm just scared when the road. Oh! Not him eating. Oh, wow, look, he's hungry. He's hungry. This is literally.
He's almost on your thigh.
He's the biggest. Can you tell in the camera that he's big? Whoa,
Yeah.
You can tell?
Yeah.
Okay, we're going now. Come here. Come here, guy. Come on. What's that noise?
Oh, he doesn't want to.
Alright, I'm gonna put you in. I'm gonna carry you.
Yeah.
Okay, I put him in. I'm scared because of the car. Did you get it? You got it when I put him in?
Yeah. Say bye. Say bye.
Are you filming?
Yes.
Wow.
Of course.
For the glass. Stop for the glass.
I'm the DP. Remember?
What's up?
Mama. Oh, that's their mom. Gift.
Careful, ate. Careful.
Oh, that's their mom.
Oh my god, the baby! Okay, these are some cute, really cute pigs. And there's a little baby! Oh my god, black exotic pigs of...
Oh, there's another one running. Oh, there's another one. There's another.
Oh my god! And they're not scared of people. Do they bite?
No.
They don't bite? Can I go inside?
I don't think it's a good idea.
Really? Why?
Oh, okay.
Do they kagat?
I don't think it's a good idea.
Oh, that's a big one.
Okay, I want to see.
Okay, phone siya.
Wow! Alright, we've got parents here. Can I pet his head? Is he gonna bite me? No?
Yeah, I think so.
No, don't do it. No, don't do it. He's gonna bite my hand.
But yeah, he might.
So you say.
He'll bite
Just stay. Don't touch it, tate.
Don't touch it. Don't touch.
Just stay
Oh,
there.
but oh my god! What about the babies? Can I touch the baby?
No, you can't too.
Why?
just look at them.
Oh, Michelle, no, they might it your feet.
Oh man, I wish I could hold them. Oh. How about the baby? You can't hold them? They're mating. They're mating. Yeah. Oh my god! Oh my god! God, what are the odds? Hey, maybe if I go. Where's Samo? There's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 piglets, and a really big dad. Whoa! I wish I could cook. The piglets don't bite. How do I hold a piglet? Oh, they're mating.
You see that? You can just.
How about the baby one? The baby won't bite. The baby doesn't bite.
They're wild animal, I think.
No, the baby won't. The baby won't.
So wait, you want?
Oh god. Okay.
Michelle, I think you just don't hold. I think you hold it from the back.
Just.
Okay. Go.
Yeah, just video. Di okay lang ito. Video mo.
Oh, he's so
Okay lang ito, pindutan na. Move lang. Video na.
got it? You filming? You want to go back? You can.
Oh, I haven't taken a picture.
Okay. You get the video though.
You got the video.
Okay.
Ate was
I was gonna say.
Yes, wow! But yeah, you shoot a video.
Cute. so cute!
That's why in the store they have like the piso Wi-Fi.
Father and mother and children. This is the time that everyone's leaving, so it's gonna get a little cranky. Everyone's leaving. Come on, people, let us go. Alright, here we are, going in, going in. Look how close we are. And that's us going into the boat right now, going into the boat. Oh, this boat is huge! The boat home is like the Bacolod kind. Wow, big, big, big. If it's full, then they're out of here.
It's actually this bigger.
I know. A lot bigger.
Because hungry again, huh? I am.
Alright, here comes another one.
30 minutes, 1 hour.
Ah?
Ulat daw, mga hours.
2 hours. 2 hours. Yeah.
And this guy's got big trucks too. Look how fast they are.
No, they're good. Remember in Bacolod pa nga, they go in and out like nothing.
But the Bacolod trucks that go in and out are huge. So maybe this is
Think
why
you wanna go to Lilo?
maybe we are exiting the boat, my friends. Right, we are getting off the boat. We are getting off the boat. It doesn't even feel like we're on a boat. Wow. And just like that, we're in Iloilo. Just like that, my friends. And it's a drive-through. Drive-through transportation. You drive in and you drive out. Literally, we drove onto the boat from Guimaras and we're driving into Iloilo. It's literally a drive-in. Drive-in transportation. And off we go. Yes, yeah. Here we go. Yeah, yeah, yeah. That's worried that he's gonna get sleepy. So I'm making sure to be energetic for this next phase of our travel. Alright, let's go, friends. Yeah, yeah, yeah. On FaceTime, so I couldn't get it, but here it is, our coffee. Yeah, what did you get?
Caramel macchiato.
So did I. What did that get?
Also caramel macchiato.
3 caramel macchiatos. We're gonna try them in the car. Woohoo! Thanks for joining us on our entire trip to Guimaras. It was such a heartfelt trip. I got to see close family. I got to visit my grandpa. I got to see all these exotic animals I've never seen in my life. A gigantic rooster and a black pig. And that car trunk surprise was just so beautiful. I will always remember these memories and I'm so happy to share it with you. If you like what you see, please make sure to like and subscribe and see you on the next one.